Hey everyone, I hope you are well. In today's video, we are going to talk about something cool in the world of software called the CQRS pattern. We will see how it works with two real life examples. It may sound a bit fancy, but don't worry, I'll break it down into simple terms. But before starting, did you watch my previous video in which I talked about the Saga pattern with its example? If you are newer, I am Hassan and I post tutorials on this channel. If you might be interested in watching those videos, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment down this video. Let's start today's video without any further delay. CQRS stands for Command Query Responsibility Segregation. Big words, right? But we will simplify it. Think of it as a way to organize how a computer system handles two different jobs, one for making changes and another for finding information. It's like having two experts, each doing what they are best at. Imagine you are running a restaurant. You have got chefs in the kitchen making delicious food, and you have got wait staff taking orders and serving customers. Here is how CQRS is a bit like that. On one side, we have the command side. This is where we cook and prepare the food. That's like making changes. When a customer orders something new or wants to customize their dish, we as chefs handle that. On the other side, we have the query side. This is where the wait staff take orders, checks the menu, and serves customers. They don't cook, they just find and present information. Now here's the cool part. When someone orders a special dish, the kitchen, which is command side, gets a message from the wait staff query side, and it's like the wait staff telling the chefs, hey, we need a special order. This keeps everyone in sync. Let's put this into action with our first real life example. Think of a restaurant like your favorite pizza place. When you order a pizza with extra cheese, the kitchen, which is the command side, makes that special pizza just for you. But when you look at the menu to decide what to order next time, the menu, which is the query side, shows you all the options, including the regular and special pizzas. The menu does not change the recipe, it just helps you find what you want. Now let's explore another real life scenario. Imagine you are using your bank's app when you transfer money from your account to a friend's. That's like giving a command to make a change. It affects your account balance, but when you check your account balance or view your transaction history, that's like asking for information. The app doesn't move money around, it just shows you what's there. So why bother with CQRS? Just like our chefs and wait staff, CQRS separates tasks for better speed and efficiency. Orders get prepared quickly and customers get served fast. It also makes changes easier. If the restaurant wants to add a new pizza to the menu, which is the query side, can do that without bothering the kitchen. Let's see the code of the CQRS in Java, which is the fictional scenario of the ordering system. So you can see that there is a class called order services, which has a array list, which is taking or storing the orders in it. There is a function called place order, which is taking the arguments of the class order and adding those orders to the array list. It is also printing the statement order placed with that order ID and then simulating that order event to the query side, which is right here. Let's move forward to the query service class. It also contains a order details array list, and it also has a function called update order details, which is also adding the order details to the order details array list. It has another function called get order details, which is fetching the details of the orders which are stored in the order details array list. If there is an order, it will return that order, otherwise it will return null. We have another class called order, which contains order ID, product, and price. There is also a constructor which is responsible for storing those values. Now fetching those values, we can use these functions, get order ID, for get product, and for getting the price, we can use the get price function. Now let's move forward towards the main function. You can see that we are placing an order, then we are retrieving order details. We can say that placing an order is a command side because if you remember that if we make changes to the system, that's the command side. And if we are retrieving or fetching the details, that will be the query side. So we are placing the order with the help of placing place order function, and this is responsible for storing these details to the array list. And if you want to retrieve those details, we are using the get order details, which is the query side. So this is just an example to give you an idea in Java how CQRS works in a food ordering system. In a nutshell, CQRS is about splitting work into two clear jobs, making changes and finding information. They communicate like this wait staff sending orders to the kitchen. It's a clever way to make software system works better. And that's it. You know about CQRS and how it simplifies complex tasks, whether it's ordering pizza or managing your bank account. CQRS helps keep everything organized and efficient. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more simplified and tech explanations. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.